Welcome to the high security heart of the American financial system. Here at the Bureau of Engraving and Printing, the world's most recognizable currency begins its journey.
Place the
It all
roll
starts with a
directly
very
on the
specific raw
marker
material.
in Bay 4.
These are not ordinary
Roger
paper
that.
rolls,
Coming
but a highly
down
durable
slowly.
blend of 75% cotton and 25% linen. This unique fabric-like composition gives U.S. currency its distinct feel and legendary durability, allowing it to survive thousands of folds and years of heavy circulation. The raw sheets are fed into advanced stabilization rollers. This critical step ensures that every millimeter of the surface is perfectly flat and ready for precision ink. Look closely at the surface. Tiny red and blue security fibers are embedded directly into the paper structure, acting as the first line of defense against counterfeiters. Technicians monitor the humidity and moisture levels constantly. Even a slight variation could affect how the ink adheres to the fibers during the upcoming printing phases. Once prepared, these massive stacks of blank sheets are organized and moved to the printing floor. They are now ready to be transformed into legal timber. The atmosphere is one of focused precision. Thousands of sheets are stacked and ready, waiting for the intricate layers of ink that define the American dollar. We move to the offset printing stage. Here, specialized ink vats are prepared with secret formulas that provide the foundational colors for the background of the bills. The inks used are unique to the Bureau. They are designed to be long-lasting and resistant to fading, ensuring the currency remains legible for many years. Offset printing creates the subtle, multicolored background patterns. This layer is printed on both sides of the sheet simultaneously to ensure perfect alignment and complex imagery. The speed is incredible, yet the precision is absolute. These geometric patterns are so fine, they are nearly impossible to replicate with standard commercial printing equipment. This foundational tint acts as a canvas. It contains fine line work and color transitions that are essential to the security features that will be added later. As the sheets exit the machine, they are stacked with total uniformity. Every sheet must be perfectly aligned for the next, more intense printing process to follow. Quality control starts immediately. Even at this early stage, inspectors look for the slightest deviation in color or pattern that might indicate a machine error. The facility runs like a clock. The offset stage sets the pace, preparing millions of sheets per day for the iconic face of the American currency. The sheets must dry completely before the next layer is applied. This prevents smudging and ensures the integrity of the complex background designs will be solved. Now we enter the heart of the operation, the Intaglio printing room. This is where the currency truly gains its identity and its tactile, embossed feel. It begins with hand-engraved steel plates. Master artists spend months carving these intricate portraits, creating depths and lines that no computer can perfectly mimic. In the Intaglio process, ink is forced into these deep grooves. The surface of the plate is wiped clean, leaving ink only in the recessed design areas. The machine applies 20 tons of pressure, forcing the paper into the groove. This creates the raised ink effect that you can feel with your fingernail. The result is stunning. The lines are sharp, the details are microscopic, and the ink stands high off the paper, a hallmark of genuine U.S. currency. Because the ink is so thick, it must be baked dry. The sheets pass through industrial ovens to ensure the raised design becomes permanent and durable. The feel of the money is just as important as the look. This tactile quality is one of the most difficult features for counterfeiters to replicate. Every line in the portrait is a testament to the engraver's skill. These lifelike images are designed to be instantly recognizable and extremely difficult to fake. The rhythm of the Intaglio is powerful. Thousands of tons of force are applied every second, churning out sheets of value with unmatched mechanical precision. The iconic green ink on the back of the bills also uses the Intaglio process. This gives the entire note a consistent, high-quality feel on both sides. Inspection at this stage is ruthless. Any sheet with a single ink void or a minor smudge is immediately flagged and removed from the production line. Next, we focus on advanced security. The color-shifting ink is a modern marvel, changing from copper to green when the note is tilted at an angle. The 3D security ribbon is woven into the paper, not printed on it. It uses nearly 1 million micro lenses to create the illusion of moving images. Under ultraviolet light, a hidden security thread glows a specific color depending on the denomination. This is a quick and reliable way for banks to verify. Microprinting is another layer of defense. These tiny letters are so small they require a magnifying glass to read, yet they are perfectly clear on genuine bills. The ink itself is magnetic. Specialized scanners and vending machines and sorting centers detect these magnetic patterns to confirm the bill's authenticity in milliseconds. When held to the light, a faint image of the portrait appears in the blank space. This watermark is part of the paper itself, not the ink. Modern bills contain infrared features that are invisible to the eye but easily seen by high-tech equipment, adding yet another complex layer of protection. Consistency is key. Each security feature must be located in the exact same spot on every single bill to ensure global trust and machine compatibility. The chemical makeup of the color-shifting ink is a top-secret formula. Its unique reaction to light is one of the hardest features to ever replicate. These layers of security make the US dollar one of the most sophisticated pieces of printed material in existence, blending art with advanced physics. Every single sheet now enters the automated quality control system. High-speed cameras capture images of every bill at thousands of frames per second for analysis. The software identifies defects smaller than a pinhead. If a bill has even a minor flaw, the entire sheet is marked for destruction by the system. Technicians oversee the automated process, ensuring the AI is correctly identifying errors and that the machinery is running at peak performance levels. Imperfect sheets never leave the building. They are automatically separated and securely shredded, ensuring that only flawless currency ever enters the public's hands. The speed of inspection is breathtaking. The system processes dozens of sheets per second, checking millions of data points without ever slowing down the line. Random samples are taken for physical testing. We ensure the bills can withstand the rigors of being in a pocket, a wallet, or even a washing machine. Only the sheets that pass every electronic and physical test move forward. This rigorous vetting process is what maintains the integrity of the American currency. This stage is a massive undertaking, combining the power of modern computing with the watchful eyes of experienced federal currency experts and technicians. Once certified, the sheets are ready for their final identity markers. They are now just one step away from becoming actual, spendable money. This is the overprinting stage. Here, each note receives its unique identity, a serial number that ensures it can be tracked throughout its entire life. The seals are added with forceful precision. The Federal Reserve seal and the Treasury Department seal grant the bill its official legal and monetary authority. Every serial number is unique. The system ensures no two bills have the same number, which is a vital component for security and banking records. The mechanical sound of the overprinting press is the sound of legitimacy. With these final marks, the paper sheets officially become legal tender. Even these final stamps are checked for perfection. The ink must be bold, the edges must be sharp, and the position must be exact. The transformation is nearly complete. From raw cotton to complex art, and now to serialized currency, the process is nearing its final destination. The engineering behind these numbering machines is incredible. They must operate with flawless timing to ensure every digit is printed clearly at high speed. Now comes the final cut. Massive blades slice through the stacks with surgical precision, separating the large sheets into individual, perfectly sized currency notes. The individual notes are then automatically bundled into groups of 100. These bundles are the standard unit for banking and initial distribution. 10 bundles are combined to form a brick of 1,000 notes. These bricks are then vacuum sealed in heavy plastic for security and protection. Pallets of cash are moved into high security vaults. These underground bunkers are protected by the latest technology and elite security forces at all times. With the vault doors sealed, billions of dollars wait to circulate. This journey from raw cotton to legal tender ensures trust in the American economy. Every day, this facility ensures that the lifeblood of global trade is produced with unmatched security, artistry, and precision. The American dollar is ready,